Hello, I'm Annette and I've worked at YES for just over 20 years now, working with almost every piece of machinery in the building, but we're going to focus on the embroidery side at the minute. I've got a few things in front of me, just the basics that I keep in my drawer, in my tool bag, the things that I use most days. So hopefully with what we're going to be doing, we're going to be helping you along your way with your new embroidery machine. Right, so in front of me, I've got needles, just in case we need to change one. The essential pair of snips for trimming the long ends. A tiny screwdriver, that is what we change the needle with. Tweezers. Now, I don't use these very often, to be fair, but you might benefit from a pair of tweezers, getting in the little fiddly bits on the machine. And then we've got the spray oil and we've got the liquid oil that we use to oil the machine.